Samsung has officially revealed the biggest Galaxy S24 features that you might have missed, and no, we are not talking about the display or the camera or the performance or the battery. This is Samsung going beyond imagination. Yes, they have officially announced the new era of Galaxy AI. This will truly transform the way you interact with your phone in the most smartest way. So what is Galaxy AI? Well, this is Samsung AI that they have been working for quite some time, and according to Samsung, it is officially on the early 2024 device. Of course, this is a clear sign towards the S24 series begun, the very first smartphone to have this capability with the Galaxy AI. We are going to have an endless feature and benefit, one of which Samsung has officially revealed, and it's called as AI Live Translate Call. This is actually insane. Imagine you are speaking to someone and that person talking in German. Their language will get translated in real time in audio as well as in text form. No need for any third-party application. This is all happening in real time thanks to Galaxy AI in addition to better communication. Galaxy AI promised to make you more productivity and also enhance your creativity. Also, Samsung did not future reveal the function of Galaxy AI. They did unveil Samsung Galaxy AI model on which the Galaxy AI is based, so we are pretty much confirmed to get ChatGPT like AI implementation, where you can ask the AI anything, any question, and you get answer on the top of this. Samsung went above and beyond to bring the image generation AI ability to the Galaxy AI tool with any promote. You can generate your image as well as use AI to edit your existing image. And finally, for those who are into development and coding, Galaxy AI will also help you write code for various languages. Samsung also officially confirmed that the Galaxy AI is open to collaboration with other industry leaders, for example Google and Microsoft. So we could see Google brand AI as well as Microsoft AI tool begin the implementation of the Galaxy S24 series. This is by far the most important exciting upgrade for the S24 lineup, making the S24 series fast for the smartest and most powerful phone on the market. Also in the news, S24 has posted the updated rendering of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and you can see it's actually pretty good. Samsung is ending the Edge display for a more function flat display while having incredible record-breaking bezel ratio. Let me know what you think about in this comment section below. Subscribe for more latest news.